Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add PayPal to Facebook as a payment method. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and open Settings Privacy. After that, tap on Orders and Payments. Inside the Payment section, look for Payment Methods and open it. This page will show any payment methods already connected to your Facebook account. Now tap on Add Payment Method. A menu will appear showing different payment options. Select PayPal from the list. Facebook will now open a browser window where you can sign into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to continue. After signing in, PayPal will ask you to choose which payment method linked to your PayPal account you want to use on Facebook. Select the card or bank account you want to use and tap Save and Continue. After a few moments, the page will refresh and your PayPal account will be connected to Facebook as a payment method. You can now use it for purchases, donations, Facebook stars, and other supported payments on Facebook. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.